For exporting your model, including your calculated noise contours, to Google Earth, you need to have at least one GPS calibration point. A GPS point is a point where you have both your coordinates of your model and the world coordinates. For instance, this left corner of this building. I click on this position and I enter a GPS point. The GPS point contains not only your coordinates of your local coordinate system used in your model, but more importantly, it contains the world coordinates in latitude and longitude. This means that you now need to figure out what are the world coordinates of this corner of the building. So I switch to Google Earth, and here you can zoom to the same position in the world and then hold your mouse cursor on this position. And then here on this position in Google Earth you see the latitude and longitude information. So this is 51 degree, 54 minutes, 10.45 seconds north. So I switch to Google Earth, to iNoise. I say, okay, my GPS information is 51, 54, and what was it, 10.56. I switch back, I hold it here again, 10.40 north, 10.40 north, and I do the same for the longitude. Put it here, and it's 424.0295. 424.0295. And was it west or was it east? Just checking. It's east. So now I've calibrated my model with the world coordinates. If I now do an export to Google Earth, iNoise will first ask me to enter the name of the KML file. So now a KML file is created and it's offered to Google Earth. And it's mapped on top of the Google Earth image, exactly where I've just entered my GPS point. Also in Google Earth you have all your items available, your grids and your vertical grids, and you will see all your buildings nicely mapped on top of the Google Earth image. This also works if I activate my noise contours, and yep, and I do the same, file export to Google Earth, and I'll overwrite the KML file, yes. And Google Earth, you want to reload? Yes, of course, because I've reloaded it. And now I can do the same again, and the grid points and the vertical grid points. And now I see nicely in Google Earth my noise contours, including my items and the vertical noise contours mapped on top of the Google Earth image. Thank you for your attention.